Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to play for you a piece from the student repertoire. This is a Soleá by Manuel Granados. Soleá comes from the word soledad, which in Spanish means loneliness. The plural of Soleá is Soleares, so if you see that written Soleares or Soleá, just know that one is plural and one is singular. The Soleá is considered one of the principal styles in flamenco music, and it originated somewhere around the 1850s. The origins of this style of music came from three sources, primarily the jaleos, which came about around the early 1800s, and in addition to the jaleos were the polo and the caña. The polo was around in the mid-1700s and the caña around the 1830s. The rhythm of the Soleá is very important to understand. It's a 12-beat style, and there are two patterns with accents that are popular for the Soleá. The first one has accents on the 3, the 6, the 8, 10, and the 12, and it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then the second one, it's almost identical, it just accents the 7 and the 8 rather than the 6 and the 8. Sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In either case, what's important to understand is that the Soleá is played slowly in general. Now, of course, when there's dance accompaniment, there are sections that are faster, sections that are slower, but generally, it's a slower form. Another important thing to know about Soleá, like 99.9% of flamenco, is that the guitar's responsibility was traditionally accompaniment. It was only after Ramon Montoya that the flamenco guitar started to take on a more soloistic role. So, without further ado, here is the Soleá by Manuel Granados. Thank you once again, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.